Most vegetables take months to harvest, but these 8, less than 30 days from seed to your plate. I'm talking fresh salad greens in 3 weeks, crunchy radishes in 20 days, and microgreens ready in just 1 week. Perfect for beginners who want quick wins, small space gardeners, or anyone tired of waiting forever for results. Let's get straight into it. Radishes are the speed demons of the garden, famous for their lightning-fast growth and vibrant color. If you're looking for a vegetable that delivers almost instant gratification, radishes are your best bet. Their crisp, peppery roots add a burst of flavor to any dish, and their cheerful red bulbs are a delight to spot among the green leaves. Some varieties are ready to harvest in just 20 days from sowing, making them one of the quickest crops you can grow. Watching them sprout and swell is a rewarding experience, especially for new gardeners eager to see results. To get started, simply direct sow seeds about ½ an inch deep and 1 inch apart in well-prepared soil. Radishes thrive in cool weather, so early spring and fall are ideal times to plant them. Once the seedlings emerge, thin them to 2 inches apart. This gives each plant enough space to develop plump, round roots and prevents overcrowding, which can lead to misshapen radishes. Harvest your radishes when the roots are about 1 inch wide. Just gently pull them from the soil. Their bright color and crisp texture are a sure sign they're ready to eat. Don't wait too long though, or the roots can become woody and lose their signature crunch. Check your crop often to enjoy them at their peak. The greens are edible too. Toss them in salads for a peppery kick, or use them as a garnish for soups and sandwiches. Or sauté the greens with a little olive oil and garlic for a nutritious side dish that's both tasty and sustainable. For a steady supply of fresh radishes, sow new seeds every week or two throughout the growing season. This way, you'll always have a fresh batch ready to harvest, and your salads will never be without a crunchy, colorful addition. Radishes are perfect for getting kids excited about gardening. Their quick turnaround and easy care make them a fantastic choice for young gardeners eager to see results and taste their own harvest. Fast, crunchy, and satisfying, radishes are the ultimate quick win for any gardener, bringing color, flavor, and fun to your table in record time. Arugula brings a peppery punch and grows incredibly fast. Scatter seeds, cover lightly, and thin seedlings to 3 inches apart. Start harvesting outer leaves at 3 inches long, sometimes in just 20 days. Grow in cool weather or partial shade to prevent bitterness from bolting. Use arugula in salads, on pizza, or blend it into pesto. Harvest often for a continuous, flavorful crop. Baby spinach is one of the quickest and easiest leafy greens you can grow at home. In just about 25 days, you'll have tender, delicious leaves ready to harvest. This makes it a fantastic choice for gardeners who want fast results or those with limited patience. Spinach thrives in cool weather, making it perfect for early spring or fall gardens when temperatures are mild. The plants love the crisp air and gentle sunlight, and you'll notice the leaves stay sweeter and more tender in these conditions. To get started, simply sow seeds about ½ an inch deep in well-prepared soil. Choose a spot with good drainage and plenty of organic matter for best results. Once the seedlings emerge, thin them to about 3 inches apart. This gives each plant enough space to grow strong and healthy. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy, to encourage lush, vibrant leaves. When the leaves reach 2 to 3 inches long, you can begin harvesting. Use the cut-and-come-again method. Snip the outer leaves and let the center keep growing for multiple harvests throughout the season. Don't have a garden bed? No problem. Spinach grows beautifully in containers or window boxes, making it ideal for patios, balconies, or even sunny windowsills. If your spinach starts to bolt, which means it's sending up a flower stalk, act quickly. Harvest all the leaves right away to enjoy them at their best flavor and texture before they turn bitter. Fresh baby spinach is perfect for salads, adding a mild, slightly sweet flavor and a tender bite. You can also toss it into smoothies for a nutritious boost, or add it to omelets and other cooked dishes for extra color and vitamin. Loose-leaf lettuces like black-seeded Simpson are ready in just 25 days. Sow seeds thinly, thin seedlings to 4 inches apart, and harvest outer leaves as they grow. Cut-and-come-again harvesting keeps the greens coming. Succession plant every 2 weeks for a steady supply. Great for containers and small spaces. Enjoy fresh homegrown salads in no time. Baby bok choy is ready to harvest in under 30 days, perfect for stir-fries and soups. Sow seeds ½ an inch deep, 2 inches apart, and keep soil moist. Harvest at 6 to 8 inches tall for tender, crisp stems. Use row covers to protect from pests. Prefers cool weather or afternoon shade in hot climates. Quick, crunchy, and delicious. Bok choy microgreens are the fastest, ready in just 7 to 14 days. Sprinkle seeds densely in a shallow tray, mist, and keep covered until sprouted. Provide plenty of light and keep soil moist. Harvest at 1 to 2 inches tall by snipping with scissors, packed with nutrients and flavor. Perfect for salads and sandwiches. Grow microgreens year-round indoors for a constant supply. Green onions are super easy. Regrow from store-bought roots in water for harvest in a week, or sow seeds in soil, thin to 2 inches apart, and harvest at 6 to 8 inches tall. After cutting, the roots regrow for repeat harvests. Perfect for small spaces and containers. Adds fresh, mild onion flavor to any dish. Try regrowing on your windowsill for a fun, ongoing harvest. Turnip greens are ready in just 25 days. Don't overlook these nutritious tops. Sow seeds densely and harvest leaves at 4 to 6 inches tall. No need to thin, just snip outer leaves or whole plants. Great in cool weather and packed with vitamins. Sow every couple of weeks for a steady supply of tender greens. Imagine harvesting 8 different vegetables from your own garden in less than a month. It's truly amazing how much you can grow in just 30 days, even if you're short on space or new to gardening. With a little planning and care, your garden can become a source of fresh, delicious produce, faster than you might think. To get the best harvest, try succession planting, sowing seeds every week or two to keep your garden producing. Make sure your soil stays consistently moist, especially during those first crucial weeks. And don't forget to use a high-quality potting mix, which gives your plants the nutrients they need to thrive and grow quickly. Microgreens are the speediest of all, ready to eat in just about a week. They're packed with flavor and nutrients, making them a perfect addition to salads, sandwiches, or even as a garnish for your favorite dishes. Radishes and green onions are next, maturing in as little as 20 days. Their crisp texture and zesty taste are sure to brighten up any meal, and they're incredibly easy to grow, even for beginners. Then, in just 25 to 30 days, you'll be harvesting arugula, spinach, lettuce, turnip greens, and bok choy. These leafy greens are not only fast-growing, but also versatile, perfect for salads, stir-fries, and wraps. Fast-growing veggies are ideal for anyone who wants quick results, especially if you're just starting out or gardening with kids. Watching seeds sprout and grow so quickly is rewarding and keeps everyone excited about gardening. With so many options, which vegetable will you try first? Maybe you'll go for the speedy microgreens, or perhaps you'll plant a mix for a continuous harvest all month long. I'd love to hear about your gardening plans and which quick-growing veggies you're most excited to try. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy gardening tips, tricks, and inspiration to help your garden thrive. Thanks so much for watching. Wishing you a bountiful harvest and happy growing. See you in the next video.